blessed day today, being International Nurses Day. As I look back on my journey to nursing through the 3 decades that I have been in this, it is really a feeling of warmth, humility, and gratitude, and an awe for all the experiences and all the lessons that I have been through in this journey. I would like to share a few of my heart-touching moments. The first time that I stepped into the services in the armed forces, I was asked to go to my ward. And with all the anxiety, the anxiousness, and all the fear and the uncertainty that I had, I was rushing through those corridors, not knowing where it is. When all of a sudden I just halted and I asked, "Where is this ward?" And immediately I found 3 little fingers clasped to my hand, leading me happily, cheerfully to the ward and posted me in front of my nursing station. Those were the hands that guided me when I was so anxious, and it gave me a lesson in life that I have a very long journey to go. Just like this little hands comforted me, I have to hold the hands of my patients to lead them from bleak nothingness to health and then send them back to their families. It is really a moment of uncertainty, and it has been for me a moment of strong emotional feeling which is with me even today. I have few other moments which really touched my heart, like long years later, once in the ICU, when I was nursing a 20-year-old man who was met with a very severe accident. He was very frightened, he didn't know what life held for him, and in his sinking moments of life, he clung and watched and spoke to us, being with us, and it was as though he was waiting for some support that would show to be strong and we would nurse him back. We also had our moments of doubt, our moments like हम जब सोचते हैं कि फ्यूचर में क्या है, क्या होने वाला है, ऐसे ही नज़रों से that person was looking at us. And then as a team, we worked with him, we nurtured him, we brought him back to life. And the day arrived when finally he picked up all his baggages and walked out on the day of discharge, looking at us with gratitude in his eyes. That day, I realized something, and he did too, that we both achieved something which was much profound in life for both of us. These are the moments which tell us that we are in a profession where we have to be bold. We have to show strength where we may also lack and feel that uncertainty is always there. But never can we fall back, or never can we look back and give them a hopelessness feeling. We have to be strong. That makes us what we are, nurses of today. I also want to go through life's journey where at moments we realize that the sayings of Florence Nightingale, which says nursing is an art, and to make it remain as an art, we have to have consistency in whatever we do. And this is really true. Those years of nursing where we were required to be consistent, required to be dedicated, required to show a strong face in front of things, we also have our moments of weakness. But realizing that the people in front of us are only dependent on what we express, and in these moments we have to be very strong and bold, forgetting what we think of ourselves and what we are undergoing. This is what a nurse is made out of, and I am proud to be a nurse today. There are so many other moments and stories and experiences and lessons that have shaped me today into the person that I am. It has shown me life's ways that have been so much profound in giving me back the feeling of achieving things which I thought could never be done earlier. The knowledge that we have gained, the experiences that we have undergone, and the path which we lead our youngsters of this generation to walk, which has already been walked earlier by people, and they have laid down regulations, rules, and unprofound knowledge that has now come into use for us. The researches that is being done in this profession, and in the future, the technology and the use of modern medicines and all sorts of upgrading learning. These have all gone a very high and profound way in backing us as nurses. We are thankful to the scientific technologies and all the people working in this, in the researchers and all other streams, which has only helped us move ahead. And hence, we in our journeys thank this Lord and also assure that for the future generation, whoever is there choosing this profession, it will indeed be a blessing to humanity and to yourself as an individual to grow further, because nursing is done only by strong men and women, and the strong men and women are the ones that shows others the way of life. I wish all the young nurses, male and female, and all the people in this profession a very, very happy and bright future and a very happy International Nurses Day.